Townhouse with carport and with balcony na one bus ride lamang sa Metro Manila.
Bigger lot size and spacious house living area for your growing family.
Sagot na ng Borland Development Corporation yan.
Welcome to Citadela Townhomes!
Located ito sa kilometer 41, E. del Rosario Street o mas kilala sa Kali Bacul sa Barangay Pulong Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Walking distance lang ito mula sa highway, kaya naman very accessible ito mapakommute man or private vehicles.
Yes, literal na one bus ride lang from and to Caloocan, Monumento, and Divisoria.
From SM North or Trinoma naman, 1 P2P bus ride, and then 1 jeepney ride to Pulong Buhangin.
Malapit lang din ito sa major establishments gaya ng schools, hospitals, public market, grocery stores, at iba pa.
Dalawa ang pwedeng pagpiliang bahay. Una, Townhouse 52, kung saan ang minimum lot area ay 50 square meters at ang floor area naman ay 52 square meters.
Pangalawa, ang Townhouse 68 na may minimum lot area na 60 square meters at floor area na 68 square meters.
Dahil malalaki ang lot size at floor area, swak ito sa lumalaki niyong pamilya.
Kung kayo ay locally employed, OFW, o kaya naman ay home-based freelancers with direct clients abroad,
At may monthly income na at least 26,300.
Qualified po kayong makapag-avail dito sa Citadela Townhomes.
Kung kayo ay interesado, i-message nyo lamang po kami.
Kami ang Team Hopeless Guide,
your guide in finding your home under
RRCP Realty, ang kapartner nyo sa pangarap nyo magkabahay.